Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered how to get started with investing, you're in luck. Today, we're sharing a fascinating story about Amy, a young woman who knew nothing about investing but turned her life around. Buckle up, it's going to be an enlightening ride. Meet Amy, a 30-year-old marketing professional who has always been curious about investing but never really took the plunge. Like many, she had some money in her savings account but wasn't seeing significant growth. One evening, she stumbled upon a quote by Warren Buffett. "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient." This quote ignited a spark in her. What secrets am I missing out on? Amy wondered. Amy decided to educate herself before diving in. She started with some fundamental analysis, learning to scrutinize a company's financials, management, and other tangibles. Did you know that you should look at a company's price to earnings ratio and debt to equity ratio before investing? Mind-blowing, Amy discovered she also came across ETFs, a way to diversify her investments without having to pick individual stocks. Amy felt like she was finally cracking a secret code. After weeks of research, Amy decided to start small. She picked a handful of companies and ETFs she believed in and started tracking their performance without actually investing money. This technique is known as paper trading, a safe way to practice. "I didn't realize how emotions could play such a big role. I had to learn to keep my cool during market fluctuations," she shares. Amy found robo-advisors particularly helpful. These are AI-driven platforms that create and manage a diversified portfolio for you. "I found it a perfect solution for someone like me who was learning, but also didn't want to go at it alone," Amy reflects. 6 months into her journey, Amy had her eureka moment. She came across the concept of compound interest, the eighth wonder of the world. According to Einstein, when you reinvest the profits you make from your investments, your money grows exponentially over time. "It's like a snowball getting bigger as it rolls downhill," Amy exclaims. Fast forward to today, Amy has a diversified portfolio that includes stocks, ETFs, and even some bonds. She's no longer the person who shies away from talking about investing. She's become the go-to person in her friend circle for investment advice. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-slow scheme, and I'm perfectly fine with that, she concludes. So, guys, that wraps up Amy's inspiring journey from an investment novice to someone well on her way to financial freedom. If Amy can do it, so can you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing stories and tips. See you in the next video.